Hi, my name is Frank, KB3NAT. Today I'm going to talk about changing WiresX software from a digital mode to a group mode. They call it GM. So first of all, switch it over to this quick diagram. Basically explains WiresX in its digital mode and its group mode. And I'm going to go through all of this and what it means. But first I'm going to start off with some equipment. Okay, my laptop, is what I call my internet into the group room. This is my another rig. This is the RF, this 510 up here, into the group room. Then we have the WiresX computer, which has my nodes. And you'll see my nodes are 0153 and 91530. And then we have the link radio. This is our HRI 200 with our link radio. And today we're using the simplex frequency 145.62.5 as an example. So let's go off to our WiresX computer. Okay, so this is our WiresX room for, again, this is Whiskey 3 Golf Victor 6182. Node number 1530. I have 4 stations in the room right now. Well, now we're in an open mode. It's digital. Anybody can come in. Anybody can come out. And so we're going to do a little examples here. So on this radio, this is our RF radio into the group room. And I'm going to key it, and you'll see it come up. It's KB3NAT. Okay, so there's that. And now you're going to see my internet side. This is the KB3NAT internet into the group room. And I'm going to key this. And there's my FT5 coming up. So that's the internet side into my Whiskey 3 Golf Victor room. Now the other two are just repeaters. We have 3 repeaters in this room. The 8.2 repeater and the 8.75 are miles away, but they're linked into it right now. So this is generally a digital connection only, and these are our nodes in digital mode. And what we're going to do here in this video, and I was explaining in this diagram, this is where we are now. We're in a digital room, but I'm going to switch it over to group mode, GM. And the big difference, this one is open, this one is closed. Anybody can walk into this room, but this is a closed room. You have to be invited into it, and once you're invited into it, things happen. So in this diagram, like I said, you know the nodes in the room, but you notice some of them are going to be white, and some are going to be grayed out. And then, of course, you know green means you're transmitting, okay? And then just in a general description, and you're in a DM room, it's going to be open to RF, open to the internet, enter anytime, anyone. But when you go into the group mode, that closes it to the public. You must be registered to be seen or heard. It's kind of like a Zoom or Teams meeting. You have to check in, and then once you get there, someone has to let you in the door. And that's what this is, except it's for ham radio. That's really kind of cool. And once you're in that room, you can share files, texts, and post messages with the group. So there you go. This is just a quick introduction, and I'm going to go through the process of switching this room from a digital node or digital mode to a group mode. So stand by.